right, so here we are. Our toilet is plugged. That's never fun, but we're gonna get you through this. We got our plunger out. I recommend gloves. This isn't always the cleanest job, and it really is as simple as it sounds. We're just gonna try to get our plunger around the toilet evenly, and we're just gonna push. If the plunger doesn't work to clear the clog, let's try the auger. Our goal is to get this snake through the toilet. Come on over and I'll show you how to work it. Okay, a few takeaways here. This is very important. This is a rubber protective coating. We want to get this right up against the bottom here so we don't have unnecessary scratching of the toilet bowl. Stick our auger in carefully. You can see, got the rubber up against there protecting it. Now all we're gonna do is spin the handle and push down. This is gonna force our snake throughout the toilet. I'm clogging our drain. Be patient, steady pressure. Now back it out the same way you put it in.